It's a question I hear a lot. How do you mix and match different types of flooring in one home? Believe it or not, it's simpler than you might think. The hard part, being creative with it. First, the easy one. Try laying flooring in opposing directions. This will help separate spaces into obvious rooms. That way, you can keep similar colors and styles, but still have clear borders. Next, try what I did in my own home. 2 different flooring styles entirely. We had hardwood in one area, but knew we didn't want to carry that into the laundry room. So we selected a beautiful, waterproof STAINMASTER luxury vinyl for that room, and the 2 styles look great together. And now, the crazy option. What about a curved carpet line? This is an interesting way to open up an area and welcome people into a different space. 3 quick and easy options to use all types of beautiful STAINMASTER flooring to make your home warm and inviting.